Mario, what the heck's going on?
Charge everything! Charge! Boom! Charge everything! Hurry up! Dad! Hurry up! The lights flicked!
The lights flicked?
Yeah, hurry up! Now! It's
Why
snowing! Boom!
Ow! What happened, Mario? I forgot.
Nothing.
I have to look out the... I think I have to look up the
No,
window.
it's blinding season again.
Mario, I heard it's snowing. I know it was snowing since yesterday. Just let me look. God. That's nice. Wait. You can see outside this time. Son of a gun. Usually you can't see the outside, but guess what? You can now. Let's watch the lights flicker on the deck. Oh, no, they're not flickering. At least the trees are all bending and all that crap. Wow, I can't even believe it's like, I think 5 inches out there now or more. Supposed to get like a foot. Every time I say that, it's wrong. What are you doing? Oh my god. Where's like... Lag! Ah! Like, we have to get the stuff charged. Why? The power's flicking! I have not seen one flick ever since. I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking? There's no flick. Oh, you stupid idiot. What do you mean? The power's gonna flick! It's gonna flick! Okay, that was just real. No, that really happened. That just really happened. Get this stuff ready! Okay, I think we should unplug these lights. They're gonna pop them all.
I don't care.
Mario, unplug them all.
Maybe.
The power flicked again. Yeah. What the hell is that lighting up over there? I wonder what that is.
The outside.
Actually, I want to go check. Alright, guess I'm gonna go outside now in the middle of a blizzard. Oh my god, I gotta see this. That's nice. That's... Oh my god. That's wonderful. This house looks... Oh crap, this phone's getting wet. There goes the wind. We're gonna lose power. Oh my god. Maybe we'll go out right when we're out here. That is a lot of lights. I'm sorry, but I have to get a better picture next time. Oh, that tree looks like it's gonna fall. It's scary. I ain't going. Mario?
What?
What are you doing?
Sitting here. Sitting here.
Well, I'm gonna look out the window. There it goes again. I didn't get it that time. The hell? Who went?